In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program message. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, if you don't know what I'm talking about, let's say I wanted to delete this file. I press that and it says this action can't be completed because the file is open in another program. Close the file and try again. So in this instance, all I want to do is I want to cancel this, go over to my search and type in resource monitor. It's going to come up with this, which is the best match. All you want to do is open this. Now it's going to look something like this. And from this area, all you want to do is you want to head on over to the CPU tab and you want to search handles. So you just want to search the file name. So in my instance, I'm just going to copy the entire thing, including MP4. I'm going to search it here. And once you search it, as you can see, it's right here. And then all you want to do once you see it in your associated handles, once you've searched it, you just want to click on it, which is going to make it highlight in blue. It shows the handle name and exactly where it's located. And then you just want to right click and it's going to say end process. You just want to press that and it says, do you want to end vlc.exe? If an open program is associated with this process, it will close and you will lose any unsaved data. If you end a system process, it might result in system instability. Are you sure you want to continue? So just make sure that you definitely want to close whatever you're trying to close and then just press end process. Once you have, it's going to close. And now if I try and delete this, there we go. It works. It's deleted and it's going to go to my recycling bin.